Clipboard clicking in a sterile hole, shadows stretching against the peeling wall. They don't see the blood, they don't see the bone, just a line on a ledger, a heart turned to stone. They trade a mother's touch for a barcode scan, building the future on a broken plan. Non-emergency knock on a Friday night. They escalate the dark and they kill the light. When a child stops breathing in their cold-handed care, they just file the folder and act like they weren't there. Buried in the paperwork, hidden in the files, HHS hiding bodies behind hollow-ass smiles. The replacement line, stealing the fruit right off the vine. Hollow-ass souls in a cold machine, keeping the corporate engine clean. They don't give a fuck about the home or the blood, just looking for workers to drag through the mud. From the foster cage to the factory floor, they've got the blueprint. They're closing the door, break them down young, make them fit in the gear, trade out their hope for a lifetime of fear. It's a long-term play, it's a calculated win, to stock up the ranks when the labor gets thin. No pulse in the office, no heat in the chest, just a cold-blooded hunt and a hollowed-out nest. They call it protection, they call it the law, but it's just more teeth in the industry's jaws. The replacement line, stealing the fruit right off the vine. Hollow-ass souls in a cold machine, keeping the corporate engine clean. They don't give a fuck about the home